local garden center in San Diego, or I think I'm in Vista, California. Oh, look how purple. And I'm looking at the plants. Pretty. They have tons of common houseplants. One thing I can say about Walmart, they're really good at putting the price and the type of plant it is. So you're never confused. They have some ponytail palms. I guess they're supposed to be $16.96 with the planter. So I guess you just put it in one of these little plants that you want. They have lots of moonshine, but they have damage on them. Like, look at that one. Just intense. Yeah, so I'm recording the plants. I really don't see anything. The calatheas look good. They're a nice purple color. I definitely thought I was coming in here to buy some plants, but they don't really have anything. You can see the guy over there in the corner that's staring at me. They're like, why is she talking to the camera? Such a millennial thing to do these days. They have the sago palms, medium to bright light. I want one of these. They have nice mature snake plants for $29.84. The Laurenti or Laurenti. And this, I'm not sure. Oh, that just came out of there. The Venus flytraps. The Ficus lyrata. I wonder, is a Ficus lyrata a fiddle leaf fig? Is that the same thing, you guys? Oh, do you hear that? Listen. Plant Mom ASMR. So, as you can see, the ivies are pretty dry. Oh, are these sunburnt? Where's that? What is it with Walmart and letting these plants die? I cannot take it. Yeah, I'm feeling like Walmart is definitely not taking care of the plants. These are all dry. Those have like sunspots on it. I guess these are the little ones. They're not $4.84. These are $3.48. King's Choice Ivy. So you could definitely get a bunch of these and put them together and make a big planter if you wanted to. This is that succulent that I like. Drought tolerant when established. I think I might get this one. Needs well draining soil. Yeah, I like this one. I'm gonna have to water it before I take it out of the store though. So I think I'm gonna get this one. As you can see, she needs some water. So as you can see, they have given up on the clearance plants. Have to be careful because it could be an animal out here. I hear something, like somebody sneezing over there or something. What is that? Oh, that's that man, like right there. I was like, what is that? I hear a person. So here, bless you. As you can see, here you're basically going to be buying the planters. I don't think you could save anything here. Maybe this because of the rhizome things in there. But I don't know. More sad clearance plants. I feel like every time I go to Walmart, I just stumble upon plants that are just not doing well. Just not doing well at all. Do I like any of these planters though? Let me see. I do like this little thing right here, but it looks very flimsy, like it could just fall apart. As I always say, that's definitely a DIY. Oh, they just need some water, you guys. I think they just need water. Like, so unfair. So unfair to you guys. You guys really don't like to see outdoor plants. So, as you know, I'm in California. So, of course, they have tons of outdoor plants. With that nice red tint, they're getting lots of full sun. Where'd that come from? Is there an orange tree out here? These trees smell so good. Look at that. How did that orange get in there, you guys? Riddle me that. This is a Xandu philodendron grown by, so let's see, a philodendron Xandu. Is this supposed to be outside? It's supposed to be inside. Evergreen, glossy, light shaded area. That's why she looks like this. She's burnt out. Oh, I just saw a hummingbird. I'm interrupting his time out here. Oh, look, there's the hummingbird right there. Do you see? So pretty. Thank you for letting me record you.
Yeah, to stimulate my mind with some metaphysical fire breathing